Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss gold US dollar. I have discussed it in my previous weekly Forex forecast video that I uploaded this Saturday evening. So I'm sure if you have seen that video, you must have made good trading decisions on the lower time frames. But this particular video is specifically for the long-term traders. And for those traders, if you remember on the week 20th till 24th February 2023, I gave you a forecast, and here is the video for the forecast. I will give the link of the video in the description right here. This one, gold xauusd weekly forex forecast 20th to 24th February 2023. So I will be giving a reference of this video as well. So if you see this video, I am sure you will further understand my strategy, because what I have said back then in February, and I will be showing you the current market. So first of all, since we have to study the previous market, and the first thing is that this was the impulsive wave we had right here. Okay, so this was the at that time the impulsive wave. I in my video several times discussed this level, right? But when we got a break of structure from right here, another fresh rally started from right here. And when I was discussing the pair, market was right here. So let me complete this pattern and let me show you that what actually happened. Or if I get a chance, I will put a recap. If I get a chance, I will add a clip from that video. But it is advised, and it will be better if you can. It is like 17 minutes of video. So if you can have a look at that video, it will be so nice. You will understand it. So this particular trade gave a profit of around 2287 pips of profit. This video is the proof of that. Now just tell me, my friends, what's so difficult in the Fibonacci strategy? There is nothing difficult in that, and everyone is trading, like every professional trader is trading with the Fibonacci and ABCD pattern, right? So a very easy setup it was, and a fantastic profitable period it was. If you have traded it, most probably in that video I have discussed 1904 level as well. So if you were a weekly trader, you must have got 970 pips. And obviously from right here, when it gave a false signal right here, let me zoom in and let me show you actually. If we study this whole price movements right here, you can clearly see that on this candle, this one, it was a clear breakout type of candle, and you can see sellers jumped right here. I have discussed this level. So now most of you who like executed or closed the trade right here, still that was good. Nice pip value all the way from 1803 till 1904. So almost like 100 pips an ounce of profit it was. And then the continuation, obviously the continuation right here, it gave a retest, and then the continuation. And finally, this point D was completed, right? So this zone was point A, it was point B, it was point C. That video is full of education. I'm requesting you to have a look at it and you will understand it. So it was a little bit about the previous structure that justified, and obviously at point D sellers were already ready to take a sell trade and drop the market for 749 pips. Now let's have a look at the H4. We have got a rejection from this level. If you see this one, I have a very smaller sell right here on the basis of this Fibonacci. If you see, so I will wait for another 4 hour candle to close. Who knows, it can create a double top up there, and if it creates a double top, then I think it will also be a very good trading opportunity. But let's see, we have to wait for this candle to close so that the image gets more clear to us. Now remember my friends, price action is so much important in taking such trades, and at this particular moment why the price is going up, I will be giving you the evidence for that. And obviously today is FOMC as well. So in next 3 hours, so let's see what happens. In the worst case scenario, it can create a double top, and obviously if the double top, like if the price closes above this today or tomorrow, then we cannot do anything about it. We have to close our position. So for now I'm putting my stop right here at 2056, but obviously I will be closing this deal once this H4 candle closes above 61.8% retracement. But unless this candle is open, I'm not going to do anything. Even if it go up and hit my SL, still I will have no issue. So in the weekly video, what I have discussed is, let me delete this and let me add this thing right here. According to the Fibonacci and the ABCD pattern, price has to take a reversal towards 1901, right? I will be making a plan so that later it will be easy for me to recall and discuss it with you. Just like this one that I have discussed in February, I was just randomly checking my previous videos and I found that I have to give an update about this video. So I will be like trying to, let's say if I discuss this long-term plan, I will be making separate playlists for all of the trading setups that I'm going to share. For example, if I share a setup on the H4, I will make a separate playlist for you so that you can easily follow it, right? So on the M15, we have got a breakout since I am in an active trade, but anyhow, let's see what it gives us. Uh, it is nice reversal zone, but let's see. So on the daily, it was showing drop till 1901, and this trade setup is still valid unless price closes above 2049. So today we have an FOMC as well, and it can push the market further up. So in that situation, let's find out how we can place our stop loss or decide our stop loss levels. For that I have to delete this one. From here we have a fresh impulsive wave. I don't want to go into the details of these tiny patterns for now because things are moving on a larger scale right here. So this is the 61 and still it is valid if you see, right? This is valid till now so far. Why? Because price has not closed below this level. Are you getting my point? I will be explaining it in a moment. Stay with me. So this is now showing an up move, right? And obviously the stop loss should be above this. So 2062.21, it is also showing me this level once again. And let's see what it gives us on the daily time frame. If we see yesterday the candle closed very nice. Just have a look at this one. Like yesterday there was no news activity, right? No news activity. Gold was into a clear bearish wave. It was struggling right here, keep rejecting from the level with smaller candles, smaller candles, smaller candles, and suddenly yesterday we have got some volume that pushed the market up. And the present situation is, obviously let me show you that the present situation is this, that market got stuck into a range, you can say, and is now struggling back up. So let's see what it gives us. The long-term plan that I have discussed, obviously I'm going to take buy trades from 1901 and I'm going to take sell trades at 2062.21. These 742 pips was very nice. And let's see, I may end up losing how much pips, around 554 pips is on risk, but I have no problem with that because I already have generated this much profit of around 2400 and 2400 pips, you can say. And even if we see this particular pattern on the M15, we have got a breakout, so everyone should be buying right now. Everyone should be buying right now. But the thing is that if we move to the M15, we can easily identify an ABCD pattern. So it is expected that market will bounce off from 2024 most probably, or if it re-enter into the zone, then obviously it will continue back down. This is a bit about the short term. Now the long term seems very easy, and if you try to trade it nicely, I think it will be perfect enough. So the overall opinion, honestly speaking, today I want to stay a bit neutral. Like, no doubt I'm into this trade, this is a long term trade, right? uh, at the moment the chances of this stop loss to hit are very high because of this candle. So at this stage price action was telling me something else and the Fibonacci was telling me something else. Let's delete some of these lines and let's see. I will be holding it till around 2062 and then I will see what we are going to do next. On the weekly time frame, it is clearly making a double top, so this sell trade is very risky, and there is also a great chance that market will break this zone, because let me show you one more thing, and that is this Fibonacci number, a very stronger zone it was. See, 7th March 2021 a rally up, then 8 April and a rally up, and then uh, a bit of false breakout, you can say, just 710 pips, and then the market continue back up. So obviously at the moment the higher time frame is clearly showing signs of bullish wave, and you can consider this as an alert that okay, the trade setups that I was going to discuss from right here may be sort of compromised for some time, because this is like forex, and anything can happen. Like you will make setups, it will fail. You will make setup, it will give you thousands of pips. Result is right here in front of you. I'm giving you the link of the video in the description. I'm trying to keep the length of this video short so that you get enough time to watch that video, because it is full of information, my friends. Try to trade very safely this market. When you like executing a trade, it's very easy, but you have to go through all of these things. And similarly, if we see the trend line, it is clearly up. So I had planning that if it drops, I will take a buy trade, and obviously I took a sell trade right here. This sell trade, this stop loss 500 pips, I'm not worried about it, because I have made good profits from here on the long term. So I'm sure this video will be super beneficial for you. You will learn something from it. And if you watch the previous video and then this video, I'm sure enough your long-term trading techniques will be getting better and better with the each passing day. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Leave your comments in the comment section down below. It can be feedback, it can be criticism, it can be anything you want. I will see you in the next video, most probably in next 4 hours. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.